Hi everybody, this is Fox Nomad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by responding to some of the comments that I got on a video I made which blew up last week. Now you may have seen that video. That's the scam video where I said yes to every scam in India. So we were thinking to try to get scammed. Yeah, I'll link to that up here. But it got so many comments, some of them quite ridiculous, some of them funny, some of them mean. Anyway, I wanted to respond to some of those comments in order to help you travel smarter. And so that to clear up any misunderstanding from some of the people that genuinely felt offended from that video. So here we go. The comments, and get those out of the way, were about my looks, whether or not my facial hair was straight or not, and I don't think it really matters. Maybe my face is not straight. Maybe I had a bad day shaving. Anyway, I found it all very immature. Maybe that's the way I like it. Your mom certainly did. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, I wanted to respond to some of the more serious comments. I didn't enjoy this video. Rather to give that old guy a bread or drink. You've never been poor or you struggle to live without nothing. What's the reason of your video? So the reason for the video is this, is that when people arrive in India, they may not know what to expect, and a lot of people won't even go to India because they're unsure, or they're really worried about their personal safety or scams. I mean, the fact that we were able to do a video like this shows how easy it is to travel in India in a lot of ways, and how innocuous, how harmless most of the scams or the hustles are really. In a lot of other countries that I've been to, this video wouldn't have worked because it would have been too dangerous to do. So the point of the video is really to show people what they can expect. So that way they're not thrown off by it, and when you know what to expect, then you know how to handle it a little bit better. You won't get as tense, you won't be as aggressive.
You become very rich man, you have $1 million.
And as you see in the video, pretty easy to just say no and walk along, and most people don't hassle you too much. So that was really the purpose of the video, is so that you know what to expect. That intro music should just be used on a trip to Punjab and not the rest of India. Okay, so about the music, it's not from Varanasi. I know that. That's music that I enjoyed. I felt that it was high energy, and I felt that it gave the video the vibe that I wanted to give it. So I could have easily put in some standard or some pretty common free dance type techno-y music, you know, like this. So the music in a video for me generally is more about the energy and the mood that it provides, not necessarily it having to be from that place. If you look at the video I did from Romania here, so where the video takes place and the music that's playing don't necessarily have to correspond. It's more about the energy and the mood that they provide, and that I like them. That's my personal preference. So there you go. But if you have any really good music suggestions that you think would have worked better on that video, please let me know in the comments below. I'd really appreciate that. Sir, I feel same ennui. I'm from Varanasi. I know that many scammers peoples are here. But you have to notice that every country has these kind of people. Yeah, that's true. Every country, every place, especially big cities, have scammers, scams, and hustles that you have to be aware of. That doesn't mean that they're bad places or that you shouldn't travel to those places. I've been to India 7 times. I clearly enjoy going and visiting India. I really like it, and I think that a lot of people should go there. It's one of the most challenging but rewarding experiences for travel, and that if you're not aware of what's going on, like free shave or the massage guy, you're gonna get hustled. But if you know what's happening, if you know what they're coming up to you for, then you can easily avoid them. So it can save you both time, so you can actually see the stuff that you want to see when you're in India, and it can also save you and them a lot of hassle and wasted effort. Best was the foreigners scamming the Indians itself. That's how our culture is. Everyone just becomes a part of it easily. I expected more scamming. So did we. If you're worried about there being a lot of scams in India and that's putting you off from traveling there or visiting the country, we tried really hard to get scammed, and this is what happened to us. Music man, gotta normalize the volume of your video. I'm working on it. So yeah, I'm sorry if the music was way louder than the rest of the video. I'm trying to work on normalizing them. Maybe check out my latest video, I'll link to that here, and see if I'm doing a better job. This one was epic. Love from India. Please visit us again. Ignore the dislikes. I definitely will be back to India. My goal is to visit every country in the world, but I keep going back to places that I like very much. India is one of those places. It's probably the country that I've been to the most. At least it's in the top 5. I don't understand why you visit India. You visit India just to get more views, but why you create such hatred videos about India? Why are you making my country feel shame? So everything I do on this channel and on my blog, Fox Nomad, is to help you travel smarter. That's the goal. So whatever I can do to help you travel smarter, whether it's by reviewing tech or by telling you what kind of scams and hustles you might come across in a country, then that's also that you can be better prepared, you can be a better traveler, and you can focus more on actually traveling. You can focus more on the experience and not things that are going to distract you from that. So that's what I try to do. Everything I try to do is to help you travel smarter. If I missed the mark on this video, I'm really sorry, but I think for somebody who's not been to India, who might not know what they're going to encounter, I think this video gives them a little glimpse into that. And once you're there, when these people come up to you on the street, you'll know what to expect, and you can more easily avoid it and save your time and go do all the other amazing things there are to do in India. I'm not sure if they can be classified as scams. I think it is just marketing. I don't know if it's marketing. It's not a scam, dude. It's an offer, and you can just simply say no.
Just say no.
A lot of people don't know how to say no. And they don't know what they're getting into. So when somebody comes up to them, they might not know that that's gonna lead into the free massage or a walk all the way down the street to a shop that they don't really want to shop in. And a lot of people get aggressive or they get tense because they don't know what's happening. And I think that a big part of knowing about the scams or the hustles that you're gonna encounter anywhere in the world is going to save you a lot of time and effort, make you more relaxed, and make it more easy for you to get out of a situation that you don't necessarily want to be in. You guys should be happy that you guys are at least safe in India. So yeah, so this video can be made in India because it generally is safe and most of the scams and hustles are harmless. In a lot of other places I've been in the world, this would not be a good idea. You knew he was going to ask for money, so you should have shut him down much sooner if you weren't going to give him a few pennies. You don't know that we didn't pay him. That might not have made it into the video. We actually did give him some money after that. Alright, so I hope that this video helped clear up some of the responses and the questions and the comments that you guys left. I hope you found it interesting. I really didn't know if I should make a video like this, but maybe this video has helped you travel smarter in some way and you found it interesting. If you liked this video, thought the response was good, please leave a like. If you didn't like this video, also leave a like. Just why not? And if you really like this video, please subscribe to the channel. I have new videos for every week. Thanks again, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.